Yes. Welcome to the channel, folks. You don't know. Before me say anything, I want to say big up Vybz Kartel, aka the world boss, aka the teacher. Anybody that been following Vybz Kartel case should know by now, say tomorrow, February the 15th, Vybz Kartel appeal case start. It will take 2 days, the 15th, the 14th and the 15th, and it will go be live. Me I go have it live, and me know it will go live on other people channel. So you don't know, you can tune in and come back and check me out here. So pan the case live. But with this video, me I go tell you now why the government want to get rid of Vybz Kartel. Why them try to get rid of Vybz Kartel. Why them prison Vybz Kartel. And me I go tell you now why Vybz Kartel have to get free. Why England I go set Vybz Kartel free. Know that the case is out of corrupt hands of Jamaica prosecution and the government system that was trying to get rid of the teacher all along. You see me. So get on the popcorn, man. Light up on the spliff. Get on the drinks and I don't know. And let's dive right into this. The first video me gonna show you is the video of why them try to get rid of this man. Why them try to get rid of Vybz Kartel, aka the best lyricist ever. You see me? So I want you to check out that video, your clip, real quick. We want cartel. G. Free the teacher. Free the world boss. Free the teacher, man. Free up the world boss. You see me. So much people gather around for the teacher. World boss. See the teacher there. So, on the swear me I talk about my people. On the swear me I talk about. You so much people gather around for the teacher, for the world boss. It was a pandemonium. Almost the whole of Jamaica gather up, want the world boss to be free. And at that the government them see and free that. You see me. Only need for free up the man. Free up the man. Only see me.
Fake news number one. It's fake news.
Lawyer Bert Samuels reacting to news reports Tuesday that the Privy Council had denied DJ Vybz Kartel's appeal against his 2014 murder conviction. The British court with something to say, but not what was initially reported.
To appeal to the Privy Council, you must get the leave of the Jamaican Court of Appeal. That court approved 4 grounds of appeal. 4 grounds. He said, fine, and like any other lawyer, you go to the Privy Council now to see if you can get some additional grounds. In addition to the 4 grounds, we sought to get 3 additional grounds, one of which I was very passionate about. The Privy Council, without hearing our arguments, sat by itself and said, we are not allowing these additional grounds, but the 4 grounds, they cannot refuse to hear them. They have not refused to hear them. They will be heard later this year, latest early next year. So it is fake news.
You hear? Fake news all along. And a long time fake news I run the place. You see me? Just make up any phone that anybody who want to carry down. Just make up any type of false information upon them and spread that. You see me? If you can mimic the person's voice and any type of gadget you can manipulate and set up the person only can set up somebody, especially the government. We got all of the technology.
So fake news, good news, at least for now, to the heirs of Kartel and 3 others also locked away for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. But tell me, when you saw this today, what was your immediate reaction?
I said to myself, there we go with people seeking headlines, with fake news. It is so wrong. Persons who don't understand the system hear that you've lost the opportunity to argue additional grounds
Facts.
and are treating it as though it is the appeal. It is not.
I mean, people lose hope and they lose confidence. What happens at that point?
Well, with the lapse of a decade since they're in prison, it's difficult to tell someone sitting across from you and you're going to go home that they should continue to wait. They have been frustrated. They have been asking, and we've been able to go to them periodically. I've never visited another client as often as I've visited Sean Campbell.
But you also have a crowd out there that says these guys were convicted of murder. I'm not going to waste my sympathy on them.
The pre-trial publicity on this case has caused many members of the public to say, oh, they are guilty already. But because we are devoted to due process, and we are devoted to the fact that every man must have his day in court, we don't turn much attention to that kind.
Facts. And that's what the government try for do. Them try for spread a whole bunch of false narrative out there by releasing a whole bunch of bullish about the case, like how all those videos leak out from the phone and all those stuff. How them get to the public. The government push those information out there, try to brainwash the people, try to make the people and believe that Vybz Kartel did this crime. That's why they did all of this. You see me, but let's continue.
Moral attitude.
Isn't the essence of your appeal that I can get my client off this charge based on something procedural, something that the court should have done and didn't do, as opposed to what the public might think of as actual guilt?
Yeah, well, listen to this. Part of the case appeal is the jury management of this case. Can you imagine that a man who is accused and has been convicted of bribing the other jurors was allowed to remain with the jurors and for them to give a verdict?
What? You see what I'm talking about? Yo, this can't happen nowhere else. Nowhere else can a man that was on the jury was trying to manipulate all the other jurors by bribing them, and he didn't get kicked off of the jury. You know, they allow him to stay upon the jury and give his verdict. Huh? Come on now, but let me make it continue. It's not done yet. Me gonna make it continue.
You know what everybody keeps going back to though? Those voice notes. They seemed so self-incriminating.
And those voice notes came from a phone which the police took and used as it was in the station. That's one of the grounds of appeal. The contamination.
Yo. You hear that, right? So them ask him about the phone that them use for prison. The teacher, world boss. The same phone where them use. The policeman take the phone and bring it to him yard. He took the phone home with him. He took the evidence, Vybz Kartel phone. He took it home with him to contaminate that phone, to use it to make phone calls, to mimic voice. A matter of fact, let the lawyer tell you what happened.
And those voice notes came from a phone which the police took and used as it was in the station. That's one of the grounds of appeal. The contamination of a phone. People can superimpose your voice on anything.
Is there a sense that the Vybz Kartel...
You hear what the lawyer said? Huh? The lawyer said people can manipulate your voice on any type of electronic device to make it sound like it's you. And that's what they did. And then publish that to the public to make the people believe that that was Vybz Kartel saying these things. Where's my shoes? I'm gonna kill you. This, that, and the third. When it was not Vybz Kartel. They was just mimicking the voice. You know, with all these gadgets out there, you could take anybody's voice and build a whole movie with it. You could do anything, write a book with his voice, and he ain't got nothing to do with it. Let it continue.
People can superimpose your voice on anything.
Is there a sense that the Vybz Kartel is shook? It's receded from the popular imagination.
You are so wrong. The moment he walks out of that prison, it's going to be similar. I hate to say this. It's the release of Mandela.
Haha. Yeah. You hear that? You hear that? You hear what this man, this lawyer said about Vybz Kartel? He said the moment the teacher, the world boss, aka Vybz Kartel, walks out of jail, prison, and become a free man, it's going to be a pandemonium just like Mandela. Yeah, Gaza Nation, wanna get ready? You see me? And me don't know, I already know. Jay-Z, Busta Rhymes, Beyonce, everybody flying down. Eminem, Drake, you feel me? Everybody flying down. They all love this man. All of England. You feel me? People from everywhere. Especially when Vybz Kartel come free and I gonna have him first stage show or some get together with friends or whatever. Dog. You're not gonna have care for old people. You're not gonna have space for old people. We don't even know if it can hold a Jamaica. You see me. That's right. So, on the better free up the man. Me make it continue.
Are so wrong. The moment he walks out of that prison, it's going to be similar. I hate to say this. It's the release of Mandela.
Yes, sir.
Because he's so popular worldwide.
So popular.
Artist has had the follow of Fox News in America, the most conservative television station. Whether or not you like it, he's phenomenal.
Yes, sir. Whether you like it or not, the man is phenomenal. He's amazing. He's the best of the best. You feel me? A conservative station, one of the biggest stations in the America, is picking up the story and been following this story because they know that this man did not commit this crime. They know that the government is trying to do their dues. They trying to get this man because everybody love this man and the government is scared of that. They're scared of somebody from the ghetto to have this, the whole country following him. You feel me? Yes, sir. So everybody know that tomorrow, that's when the appeal start. But I ain't done yet. I got more information for y'all. So strap on y'all seatbelt, light up y'all spliff, get y'all drinks, get y'all popcorn, and let's go.
Sure, Fox 5 is going to have the story.
Well, if it happens, I guess you first there on this one.
You got into trouble the other day going after the DPP.
Vybz Kartel lawyer.
Big regret still?
I'm going to say this. I have a matter before the legal counsel for that, so I won't speak on that. But when you say using offensive language, I wish to make clear that I quoted a song.
But there were ramifications. You know, you were a PNP spokesman. You're no longer a PNP spokesman.
I was the human rights, the chairman of the Human Rights Commission of the People's National Party. It's a non-paid post.
Yo, pause that. Oh, them are going like say the man lose a whole heap of job and all of them things. And the man say he was just the spokesman of the National People's Party, and it was a non-paid post. The man would have do it for free. So the man said him retire from that since it a go be embarrassing for the party. Him a go resign from that. And remember, say it's just a song. Him quote, just a song. And I like say him say something negative towards somebody. Is him client song him quote and them get mad for that. But let me bring it back a little bit and make it run.
Human rights, the chairman of the Human Rights Commission of the People's National Party. It's a non-paid post. When what happened, I was not speaking on a political platform. I was making no representations for the People's National Party. When the matter came up,
you hear that? He wasn't speaking on no national platform, nor the People's National Party. He was just saying that on just him. I guess he was just on his own platform. So I don't see why, you know what I'm saying, they take it offended by what he got to say by just quoting a song. Come on. And he an artist anyway. You feel me? But the truth always hurt. You see me?
immediately resigned to ensure that I cause no embarrassment to the People's National Party, to ensure that any association or affiliation that one would think that words from me in my personal capacity could be attributed. I have no problem like that, and I encourage leaders that if it is that you offend the public, whether it is by stealing money, whether it is by being investigated, you should do the honorable thing and resign. And I did that.
So going forward, right now, you're pretty happy with how things look.
Yes, very focused on the appeal. That is what is important. Everything else is a distraction. To answer your question about any regret, I regret being a distraction to anything of national importance, whether it be political importance, religious importance, and human rights importance.
And for a couple more months to come, some anxious time.
You see me? And it's not even you, rude boy. You feel me? It's not even you making a distraction. It's them trying to cause a chaos over nothing. You feel me? Just because you the teacher lawyer, you Vybz Kartel lawyer. So anything you say that you gonna get a good applause of, they ain't gonna like that. They gonna do everything in their power to try to bring you down. That's all. You feel me? So that's why them say you have to fight fire with fire. You know what I'm saying? You gotta fight fire with fire, else they gonna crumble you. And Vybz Kartel can't be crumbled. Can't. He too strong. He already did 12 years behind bars and still #1 in the dance hall. You see me? Yes, sir.
For everybody.
Isaac Buchanan, you were able to persuade the Privy Council that time was of the essence because Kartel is ill. The government argued otherwise, I understand. The PC accepted your submission.
Yes, so the team would have certainly filed the application to ensure that he Palmer would have had an earlier date, an expedited hearing, follow his health scare earlier this year when he was put into solitary confinement. It was very traumatic to say the least, so it had us filing paperwork in the local courts and naturally the expedited hearing, and it was accepted. We hoped that the date would have been in December, but in terms of getting the volume of the case and getting the hearing, a 2-day hearing was found, February 14th and 15th.
Otherwise, you were looking at an April.
About April, yes.
How ill is he really?
He is ill. He has, as I said, we would have spoken about this before, he has Graves' disease, and it's a condition that he needs definitive medical treatment that is not optional or open to him at this moment.
Yo, free up the teacher, man. Free up the teacher. You see me. So the teacher can go take care of this medical problem. So the teacher can be physical fit for come take over back the thing. Take over back dancehall and make people know say he's the greatest of the greatest of the greatest. And we are going to do it for 10 more years. Because we have unfinished business. You see me? Unfinished business. So free up the man so the man can take care of him health and so the man can come do some unfinished business.
He got the news. What was the reaction?
The word is anxious. He's anxious. That's all I will say.
He's anxious because
he wants his appeal to be heard, and that certainly is what is
freedom.
Happening.
Well, the anxiety is somewhat natural because things don't necessarily go your way. But you, I guess, are a little bit more optimistic.
Obviously, from my end, you have to be optimistic, which I am.
Looking at the basis of the case, your optimism you think is more justified.
So, you know, Anthony, I'm not going to get you to have me discuss the case. Is what is important is the application, the fact that it was granted. The substantive appeal will be heard in February, and we look forward to that.
Yeah. You see me. So everybody where been a follow the all Gaza nation and don't know what time it is. We here, baby. It's that time, baby. Yes, sir. We've been waiting for 12 years for this moment. 12 effing years for this moment. And it finally there. So on the light up on the spliff, on the get on the popcorn, on the get on the drinks. Tomorrow is the moment. You see me? Where the teacher, the world boss, Vybz Kartel appeal, the final destination, the final moment where we are going to hear if this man is going to be free. And you don't know he have to be free because it was the corrupt Jamaica system that put him, which part him there. You see me? And me gonna have so much story for follow up this. So much story. Me have it all. I was there from day one, from borderline to the Gaza. Yes sir. Everybody make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, make sure to share the video, make sure to tell a friend for tell a friend. Tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow where the general, the teacher, the king of dancehall is final destination where we're going to find out if he's going to be free, become a free man, get to go home to his kids, his family. Yes sir. And that beautiful wife of his. You don't know cause corruption put him part him there, cause him never supposed to there where him there from the first place. Is corruption because he doesn't want to follow their rules. Yes sir, but we not follow people, so why we are gonna follow them? You see me? But we never know so them are gonna get this low and do this. Yo, them corrupt them bad-minded them wicked but guess what? It out of the hands of them right now. Them not have nothing to say about this one. It into the hands of people where I gonna look on the other side of the fence. You see me? And see where things went wrong and see where things not supposed to happen that way and see where the other side never get to give their part of the story and clear their name. No cartel have that opportunity. You see me? Forgive his side of the story. Make them know say where them a say no go so. Me have data evidence for see that say them tamper with my phone, them mimic all of this, fabricate all of this on my phone and claim say I'm me, say all of them things that when it's not me, it's them mimic my voice. You see me? So we have all of the evidence for prove all of that. So once the judge accept all of that, which he should, Vybz Kartel should be a free man, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So let's cross our fingers. Let's hope for this to happen. Let's hope England and their court system is not corrupt and down with Jamaica system. Hope they see things different and give my man a fair shot at freedom. Yes sir. So peace and love, and we up out of here.